What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So today I am on my way to R&M just to go and do some final prep for Slammed at the Lake, which is taking place on Sunday. And yeah, hopefully we will have a surprise for the show. But yeah, it's all dependent on whether Sean was able to complete what I had asked him to work on for me. So yeah, once we get to the workshop, we'll be able to see whether or not he has completed it, and then we will also just be doing a couple of other minor touches to the car, nothing too extravagant, but it will just be a couple of items that I have had for Hood, which I haven't had a chance to fit, obviously because she's not parked at home yet. So yeah, those things will be added, and hopefully it will make a noticeable difference for the show as well. So yeah, I am driving and I'm on my way there now, so let me just continue and I will check back with you guys once I get there. And that's a wrap of the short installation video of that front strut press and oil cap on Hood. I actually had a couple of other smaller items that I wanted to install as well, like my yellow twin horns and some small interior bits, but unfortunately I ran out of time as I still needed to do a height adjustment in preparation for Slammed at the Lake. So that I will leave for a later video. Do note that all parts were also sourced and imported by myself under Advanced Import Auto Parts. So if you guys are interested in ordering any automotive accessories, I will leave a link to the WhatsApp and Facebook pages in the description below, as well as the QR code in this vlog. so you guys will be able to check us out and see what we currently do have on offer. If you are looking for something specific and you do know where it can be purchased from, but you're a little bit scared to take that step into actually bringing it in, then you can send us a link and we'll also be able to assist you with bringing in whatever it is that you guys require. Also in the video, you guys will have noticed that I ended up drilling the bracket of that strut brace. Reason being is that this is a universal option for both the 4th and 5th gens, and on BC coilovers you actually get 5 studs instead of 3, which you would find on your lower end coilovers, and those extra 2 studs are actually meant to be used with specific strut braces such as new speed. But with this being a universal option, drilling seems to have been the best way to get this to actually fit. So yeah, I wouldn't call it a fabrication or a mounting fault, but yeah, if anybody is going to be purchasing this for their Preludes, do know that you will have to do a little bit of work just to get that to fit. But ultimately, I'm really looking forward to putting the strut brace to full test. I'm also going to be installing a rear one, but that will come at a later stage once I do my custom boot or trunk installation. So yeah, the car will be used a bit more as a driver's car in the near future once I do get my new wheels fitted as well, and then we'll be able to test the capabilities, or at least improvement in handling with those front and rear strut braces. But for now guys, just to let you also know that as of today, we will be running a few Black Friday specials, not just for Black Friday but also for the weekend to the 28th on Sunday. So do check us out on WhatsApp or Facebook to see what our Black Friday deals are. Alternatively, you guys may make contact with me as well directly, and we can take it from there to see if there's anything that I can help you guys with. So until the next one, remember, your world, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.